Clement Senaratne. Clement also another very good driver. We have seen him doing some good finishes since of late. Very consistent. Let's see as they go around. I think that's Nigel Pereira. Yes. Is that Nigel? Yes. That's Nigel.
That is Nigel Pereira.
He does commentating once in a way.
Well, he does, yeah. Has to go and dragging down here.
But I think first time he's out in a formula where the Colombo night race is concerned. Sorry, last year he ran one. But I think the first year that he had some problems with his Supercar event that he had to drive and where he was hit and went home with a very damaged car. Amir Ghafoor, who won the championship for novices at Pandara for 2013. All eager to, I'm sure the adrenaline is pumping. They got their pressure up. Being on the start line, I can tell you, is not easy and it's not a pleasant thing when you're a novice or maybe just run 2-3 races. Colombo night race under those lights, waiting for the start. I'm sure their hearts are pumping pretty hard.
Heavily, yes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Colombo Night Race 2013, event number 4, Formula McLaren's 1300cc. Well, we are ready to start. You can see the green flag at the back. The lights are going on, yes. And there you go. That's the start, man.
Yes, let's see who gets in front. Viren get a good start. Oh, someone has stalled at the back. But nevertheless, the race is underway. They're all going all over. Yes, someone has got in front. Yes, I think it's Viren Boteju who has got in front of Andrew Choksi. I think Viren has got in front of Andrew Choksi as they go past the Il Ponte Hilton into the first corner. As that's what I predicted. That's what I predicted. Fishtailing right round because it's not easy to handle those cars under this pressure. Oh, Viren has also gone off into the barriers.
Well, so currently leading is
Clement Senaratne. So Clement Senaratne is leading the back. Clement is in front. Viren has gone off and the Choksi has gone off. And I think Clement Senaratne is leading.
Well, seems like Clement got lucky early in the morning.
Yes, Clement's B+. That's the blood group he's in. Clement Senaratne in front.
Well, on the other hand, you can say be positive. Yes, he is being positive and he's leading the race. It's a good start. Unlucky for the rest of the pack, for the rest of the guys who was in front of them.
That's, I think, Clement's brother, Brian, who's also running, the two brothers. Yes, some eye-catching moments, live cam courtesy of CSN. This is what the driver sees when he goes around. Yes, I think those cars are virtually snaking their way around this track because they're just running on road tires. They're not racing tires. They're not on racing slicks or maybe wet tires. Oh, someone has gone off. Who's that? He's called it a day.
Well, whatever said and done, Clement is leading the race at the moment. Not really a comfortable lead, but still he is leading. So something that he has to focus on now from now onwards. So he knows there's a couple of guys behind him. So definitely he's going to get competition. So the race is still in the early stage. So like we saw this 1600H class, where the final lap, the entire setup, the entire race changed completely, and just right behind him was Nigel Pereira. So good to see Nigel. Yeah. So definitely Nigel is not a calm driver. Basically, like he's going to give hard time to Clement.
Definitely, I'm sure, but he's good. This is what I discussed earlier. Once you see someone in front under braking, you can do a little late braking and try to get close to him.
Well, this is what we were talking about earlier.
Yeah, this is what happens. We just mentioned that these cars are very, very tricky to handle under these conditions, and that's just exactly what happened at the start of the race. In the meantime, Clement Senaratne in front, followed by Nigel Pereira. Now Nigel is virtually trying to get close to Clement. Yes, I think he is closing. I think he is closing on Clement. You can see Clement's head moving. He's looking in the mirrors.
Clement has got no need to worry about Nigel. On the other hand, well, Nigel has to worry about Clement, who is in front of him, and also Susanto Gunawardena is just behind Nigel as well. So it's going to be stiff competition for Nigel. So he has to keep his head straight, and also Clement, he has to focus. And any mistake, any little mistake could cost him the race.
Oh, yeah. One small mistake, you come in the barriers, you can. There you are. That's the live cam. This is exactly what the drivers see on track.
Well, you get to see all these live and exclusive on Carlton Sports Network. Well, this is the third consecutive year we are bringing you live coverage of Colombo night races. Colombo is looking absolutely beautiful. Well, this particular area is used to be, in fact, during the daytime, it's a corporate. It's a corporate affairs area. In fact, like you find the CAC, then the hotels, most offices. But tonight, it's completely a different setup, and it's a beautiful setup and brilliant atmosphere here.
Once again with the live cam, Senaratne in front, followed by Pereira and Gunawardene. So that's,
There you go. Those are the lap leaders. Number 16, Senaratne. 18, Nigel Pereira. And number 20, that is Susanto Gunawardene in the third position at the moment. So Clement is leading the race, but like I said earlier, it's not a comfortable or a healthy lead, just because Nigel Pereira is right behind him, and also behind Nigel is Susanto Gunawardene. So it's going to be a stiff competition for Nigel as well as Clement.
yes, I think I'm talking of Susanto Gunawardene. Susanto has also a lot of talent, did very well in the Ford Laser that he thought usually in. But today, behind the wheel of this McLaren 1300, he is no novice to even to this particular class. They ran in India 3 races, ran in Sri Lanka the balance 2 races. So Susanto Gunawardene, a lot of experience even the Formula is concerned. Nigel has been running this car for the last 2 years. Kyle Crosland, I think that's green and yellow car that we see. They can see that car snaking under braking as they come into that neutral low taking zone.
Beautiful camera work there. It's a car cam. You saw that sharp turn, hairpin bend, right opposite Taj Hotel. Brilliant lead there, Clement Senaratne. Can he extend his lead? Nigel right behind him.
Second and a half. Amin Dean, the official starter for today. Let's see whether we can just put on screen the finishing order. Nigel, obviously Nigel. Yes, you can see fist out, clenched fist up. Absolutely happy. I did it, and that's how I celebrate. Yeah. Go back to the pitch, get out of the car, celebrate with your friends, and that's exactly what Clement is waiting to do. So Clement Senaratne, a clear winner in this particular class. You can hear the whole crowd waving at him. Rest of them coming through, getting the checkered flag. That's, I think, Kyle Crosland's car that's coming through. Oh, a lot of barriers. Some of the McFoam is on the ground because some of the guys have gone into those barriers, and some of them got thrown onto the track. They will clear it before we have a start for the next race. So Nigel Pereira coming in second. First was Clement Senaratne.
කොමෙන් මේ තරගෙන් ක්‍රමන් සේනාරත්න පහසු ඒකම ආරම්භයේ සිටම පවත්වාගත් වේගය පවත්වා ගනිමින් සුවිශේෂී ජයග්‍රහණයක් හිමි කර ගන්නවා මේ කොළඹ නයිට් රේසස් තුන්වන අදියරේදී 2013 දී ඒකම දෙවන ස්ථානයට නයිජල් පෙරේරා පැමිණෙන ආකාරයක් අපි දුටුවේ. දැන් අපි මේ තරගයේ විශේෂ අවස්ථාවට යොමු
Well, race highlights, 1300 formulas. A good start, healthy start for everybody, but that was the first bend, and that decided, in fact, that changed the entire setup. And Clement Senaratne and Nigel Pereira, who was placed 3rd and 4th in the starting grid, and in fact, like, they managed to get on the lead, and from there onwards, it was Clement's race, and he was very cautious. Look at his eyes, look at his focus, and his concentration was good. And Nigel was right behind him. You can see there's Nigel Pereira just behind him, and he gave 100%, in fact 200%, but still Clement was very focused and he didn't make any mistake. And Mahen, on the other hand, Susanto, who was on the 3rd place, even he did give a good fight to Nigel.
Oh, definitely, yes. I mean, Susanto, loads of experience where racing is concerned, and well, I think he just drove a very consistent race, and
there was Yannick Lawrence who was spinning around there. And well, that actually, like, we were talking about the track, and like Mayan said, this is very delicate, these cars, and they're not running on rain tires, basically, like, they're running on just plain normal regular tires. So there's nothing specific for racing on this. So therefore, they had to manage very well on these tracks, especially with these conditions. Well, that is what you see is Taminda Gunawardene was on the screen, and there goes the checkered flag, and that was the checkered flag. Clement Senaratne, the happy lad, you saw him pumping his fist off, and then again Nigel Pereira 2nd and Susanto Gunawardene on 3rd. Well, Colombo City is looking beautiful. Well, those are the special moments. Well, there you go. That was the first turn there, right opposite SLT corner, and that actually changed the entire race. And from there onwards, it was Clement. And that is an unfortunate finish for Yannick Lawrence. Well, he spun twice, but then again, he couldn't finish off. And, well, this is another incident right opposite the commercial bank. And, well, that's another incident. Look at that. He's carrying some extra luggage.
But I think that the McFarm is doing a great job because it's really cushioning those cars, hitting those sand. Because if it is sandbag, there'll be much heavier damage in those cars.
Well, this is the second incident that Yannick Lawrence, and from there he had to retire. The previous incident, like when he spun, he got back into the race, but then again, that was the end of his race. And this is the unofficial results, what we saw. Clement Seynaratne finishing as the champion of the Formula 1300cc, and Nigel Perez second, Susanto Gunawardena third, Andrew Choksi fourth, Dilshan Dolanwala fifth, Amir Ghafoor sixth, Dustin Rantunga seventh, and Lasita Nawatuna eighth. Well, that's the unofficial standings. But however, whatever said and done, Clement Seynaratne, concentration was really, really, really superb.
I think so. I think he drove a very balanced, concentrated race where the particular event was concerned. Some very good driving by Clement Seynaratne.